sorted out yet. I just got a new one though, so that'll be going on shortly.
So I'm just doing a quick rip to AutoZone to get wheel weights. I got a new tire. It's a $20 used Pirelli Super Corsa. A lot of life left in it. Just a guy clearing garage, so I'll take it. Forgot how loud this bike is. Only been 3 months since I rode it. Good old Michigan winters. So crackly, it's so angry. I really can't see shit with that sun in the way like that either. Oh, I've missed being on two wheels so damn much. This is the only bike I got at the house right now too, so like I can't even ride that often. The dyno will probably be April at this point, Road King in May, and then I'll be cycling through all of them come summer. Hopefully I'll get a new helmet here soon too. I mean, I filed taxes on Saturday, so I think I mentioned that. Pay off the car with that if I get enough, and then I'll start helmet shopping and loan shopping for some stuff, and hopefully we'll have a good summer. Hoping and praying. But you never know. Sometimes life just screws you for no reason. I keep talking about it, but one of these days I'll learn how to stunt ride too. Like I wish I could do wheelies. Like I think a wheelie would be a good thing to have and a good idea right now, but if you've followed me for a while, you know I can't do those for shit. And I always, it's a 50-50 if I like feel like I'm gonna crash when I come down, so I don't do them. And they're never very high, maybe a few inches, so they're not even good to look at, you know? But I want to get back into the YouTube game a lot more, so I'll be posting hopefully at least once a week once all the bikes are home. Until then, it might be hit or miss. Not because I'm being lazy, just because I don't know what I'll have going on. My goal is to at least post once a week on Saturday, but I want to do it so I have set. So say I post this Saturday, which I probably will, which will be the day you're seeing this if that's the case. But post on Saturday. But during that same week where I post that video, bank a video. You know, go out, record one. Well, it's probably a topic video, because topic videos are pretty easy to make sometimes, and they're really good to store because that topic never like dies. You know, like. You could go out for a ride, and then the next 2 days the bike's like major changes, and it's gonna show that you rode that bike and recorded that video way before it got posted. And I don't like doing that, you know. I like it all feeling concisive, I guess. I don't know the word for it, where it all flows and looks right. But anyway, stop number 1, so I'll be back. Oh, you fuck. Now we wait for the guy that says, oh, Harley riders never acknowledge me on my sport bike. Yeah, because you know a bunch of dickheads. So I went in there for wheel weights, and really good guys, but the And they understood why I said no to getting them, because they want 60 bucks for like a few. I say, oh, no, no, no. Amazon says $10 for a lot. I had the tire, at least. That's like step number one. I've got the bead breaker, the balancer. That's step 2 and 3. Sorry, 2 and 4. 3 is the wheel weights. Eventually I'll get those. I'm just a little bit broke dick right now because I'm trying to pay off my car, like I said, so I can get some stuff to get out the Road King. So that's my major money hole right now, is that bagger. But y'all will like that bagger when it's out, I promise. It's gonna be a monster. And I'm not even saying that, like right now with the motor work done to it, it makes more horsepower than this thing was. Woo-hoo. Thank you. I will. I'll do my best anyway. I'll do my best. Apparently I had a lot more points racked up than I thought at Speedway, because that monster I just bought was 10 cents. Woo! The only win I'm going to get today. Until I hop on Rainbow Six and my friend Mackinac fucking carries my ass. Piss off the neighborhood because I'm not going to be out here for a while. You know, if they made a full-length M4 for this, I probably would have got that over this like $50 Temu tip I have on it right now. Sounds mean, but after having this bike like this for 3 years, it's kind of starting to wear on even my nerves. Like normally I have music playing, but I don't right now. And my God, is it noisy, man. I think when I get another helmet, I'm going to go for quieter too. I'm looking at Shoei RF1400 right now. I want one. They're a little pricier than other helmets, but sure as shit ain't an AGV Pista either. Alright, I'm going to have my dickhead moment here. So, a lot of people that do the helmet creator stuff, they're always saying that they'll get a bike eventually, right? And some of them even have the GoFundMes in their bios, which I really disagree with. Like, don't get me wrong, free money would be awesome, but that's not the way to go about it. Especially when these guys and girls have the AGV Pistas, because those Pistas are over $1,000 a piece. You could have very easily put that $1,000 down on it as a down payment on a 400 or 300, 250, a Grom. A $1,000 on a down payment on a Grom is like a third of the Grom. But it's crazy. Like, it's so damn expensive for what? But anyway, I'm gonna roll the outro here in a second. Sorry this wasn't the most entertaining video you've ever seen a guy on a sport bike make. But I'm just kind of easing back into it, you know. I made a video on New Year's Eve and now it's March 13th, so we're getting there. We're getting there. I'll be doing group rides and all that fancy high-octane stuff when it's warm out. And when all my bikes are out too, so if I break one, I can just hop on another one, you know? I'd hate to break one and not be able to ride, but anyway, here's this new outro I made. Hopefully you like it. Stick around for the future, guys. Squid 2025! I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I was gonna try and smack your windshield, but you're too far away. I'm gonna shout this guy out. He's gonna have no fucking idea who the hell I am.